swore, said you'd show me what's in store.